In our webinar, as I mentioned, we are going to briefly explore the latest regulatory developments in Argentina and Brazil, mainly in the area of the market access. So, as of latest regulatory changes for placing food and food supplements in Argentina and Brazil, it's good to highlight that in both markets, it is required any type of pre-market procedure. In both cases, manufacturing companies and importers need to be previously registered and legally established in the country. And for those managing in or with interest in the area of food supplements, in these two countries, food supplements fall under the same regulatory umbrella as any other food product, which is not the case in other countries in the Latin American regions. But what brought us today for this webinar is that there have been recent developments in both countries, and they have introduced benefits for imported products, making the market access, let's say, not easier, but at least simpler or with lesser steps than what they used to have. In Argentina, those that are not familiar, the main regulatory piece is called the Argentinian Food Code. And the key authorities are ANMAT and INAL. So ANMAT oversees the food safety and the registration, and INAL is the operational arm. We are going to focus today only in imported products because this has been the latest change in the regulation. So in the case of Argentina, this year, there was a main change done by the government for imported food products from recognized countries as a way to facilitate the import procedures. This measure has benefited many importing companies. So food products from countries of high sanitary surveillance that do not comply with the Argentinian Food Code, but are legally marketed in the countries that are part of this list, they are authorized. So this means that if you have a food product, any food product that comes from any of the countries listed there, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, Paraguay, the European Union, Switzerland, Israel, UK, Japan, USA, and the regulation mentions other with reciprocal agreement in health and hygiene matters. If this product is authorized in one of these countries and counts with a valid free sale certificate, is authorized to be marketed in Argentina, even if it does not comply with the rules in the Argentinian Food Code. So this has been a major change, mainly for those products that contain innovative ingredients, additives that are not approved in Argentina. The only specific matter that should be considered is that the labeling rules must comply with the Argentinian Food Code. So in terms of the composition of the product, there is no need to comply with Argentinian rules, but the labeling has to comply with the rules.